Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I have a really exciting unboxing to share with you guys. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen that I posted this morning saying that I was waiting for a package from UPS that was out for delivery, and it finally came. I was literally waiting around all day and it came at like 6:15. So I'm finally getting to unbox it. This is a true unboxing. All I did was open the top of the cardboard box just so that my personal information wasn't showing. As you can see, this is a Fashionphile unboxing. This is an item that I have wanted and been on the lookout for probably about a year and a half. I don't think I've ever mentioned it on my channel before, but I've always kind of had my eye out for it, and so this is definitely a unicorn piece for me. And yeah, last week it popped up on Fashionphile, and I was so excited. So I'm a little nervous because this is the first pre-loved bag I've gotten in a while, and it looked like it was in really great condition. They called it excellent condition, so I'm really hoping that it is in real life. And anyway, let's get into the unboxing and then I can explain more about why I chose this. Yeah, so I'm just dying to see it. So I know you guys have seen Fashionphile unboxings before. You get a thank you card, and oh, this is new because now they've partnered with Neiman Marcus. Something about that, I'll read that later. A Fashionphile nail file. I like my money right where I can see it, hanging in my closet. That's cute. I don't remember them saying that before. And then this is the receipt. And there's the little dot tissue. So it said it was in excellent condition, came with box, dust peg, and authenticity card. So let's take a look. I'm gonna get rid of this box now. Okay. And it has the sticker used as the new. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay. Oh, I hope this confetti all over my bed here. All right, so here is the box. Oh my gosh, I'm nervous. Okay, here's the box. Okay, there's some Chanel tissue. Okay, and it's in the Fashionphile dust bag like usual. Okay, here we go. And here's some felt, and oh, there's the original dust bag, so that gives you a little hint about what it could be. And it looks like it comes with the felt, which is awesome. I don't know why they didn't put that on the bag, but anyway. Okay, here's the Fashionphile dust bag to reveal. Oh, I'm so excited. Here is my new reissue, size 226, and it is in the, I think it's called Pearly White, which it's actually more of a cream, and it's like an iridescent off-white with shiny ruthenium hardware, and I believe this one is from 17K, so it's like 2.5 years old, I think, or 2 years old. It's from 17K, and it's, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Okay, so let's look it over. And I had never seen this pop up available anywhere before, and the only time I've ever seen it and what kind of inspired me to want it was a friend of mine on Instagram. I will post her Instagram down below. She's got such a beautiful collection. Anyway, she has this bag and I've admired hers for a long time. And yeah, so okay, let me just take a look. So here are the Fashionphile tags. So I'm gonna keep those on until I give it a good look. All right, it looks really good. The quilts are so puffy. That's what she was telling me, is that the quilts are so puffy on this one, and the distressing is perfect. Oh my gosh, okay, let's open it up. So I know there's a couple of markings there. That's what Fashionphile said and posted pictures. There's a couple marks there, which is fine. Okay, let's see here. Okay, the inside looks pretty good. And here is the authenticity card. So it is a 25 series. And is there anything else in here? Okay. Oh my gosh, it is so pretty. So let's take a look at the chain. I took it out. Okay, sorry, I'm just taking a look at it and taking it all in. So it's this shiny ruthenium, which I love. It's probably my favorite hardware that Chanel does. I think this will be my 4th bag that has it. My jumbo has it, my cocoa handle, my bronze cocoa handle has it, and my new DeVille has the shiny ruthenium as well. And yeah, so basically I wanted this because my collection was missing a white bag since I sold my medium large last year. That one just felt a bit too dressy for me. It had the like gold hardware, and medium large is just generally a dressier looking bag. And I loved the fact that this is the reissue, so it's a little more casual. And excuse me, sorry, I'm still like admiring it. It is so pretty. I hope that it's coming across as pretty on camera as it is in real life, because it is so gorgeous. Yeah, and I knew I wanted, so earlier in the year I posted my 2019 wish list and a reissue was on it. I did get the mini reissue from 19A, but I knew I wanted a bigger one too. So this is the medium size, or the 226, and it looks like it's just going to be such a great everyday size. I have a lot of mini bags, and it'll be nice to have one a little bit bigger. And yeah, I think this will just fill a void in my collection. I just love how it's iridescent. I have a weakness for iridescent leather. It's just so pretty. And yeah, so far, I mean, I'm looking at the corners and they look perfect. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. And I did get this for below retail, although with the conversion from US dollars to Canadian dollars, I mean, it certainly wasn't cheap. So this was $4,650 US on the Fashionphile website, and that's well below retail. The conversion was not great, as you know, when we're converting from US to Canadian dollars, the price, I think the conversion was $6,300, which still, again, is less than retail, plus I had to pay duty. So I did get it for under retail, but not that much under retail. So this isn't something I'm going to do that often, buying from Fashionphile, but for this one it was worth it, because I have never seen this pop up available before, and I've just wanted one for so long. I did, believe it or not, wait. I saw it on, I forget which day it was last week, but I think it was Wednesday, and I waited 2 days. I ordered it on Friday, so I waited 2 full days to make the decision, because this is not a cheap bag and I wanted to be absolutely sure. But then on Friday I was like, oh, it's still available. What am I doing? I need to just order it, because if it sold and I missed out, I would have been kicking myself. So, and I have, I mentioned this in an Instagram post the other day, I have stuck to my 1 in, 1 out rule this year. So this year, I know a lot of people were doing a no buy, and that certainly wouldn't work for me. I know that I would be a total failure at that. But what I have tried to do is, because my collection was getting pretty big, and more than big enough, this year I was trying to do a 1 in, 1 out rule. So if I bought a bag, I would sell a bag, or if I wanted to buy a bag, I would try to sell one first. So I have stuck to that. I've sold as many bags this year as I've bought. So I'm happy to report that I have stuck to that at least. And I've also sold a few SLGs as well because I had quite a few, probably too many SLGs, more than I was using. So anyway, I am going to stop the video here just because I want to really look this over thoroughly, and I will definitely post a first impressions review because I want to start using this right away. I am 99.9% sure I will keep it. I mean, there's no way I'm gonna return this. It's beautiful. I love the distressing. I love the puffy quilts. I hope you can see how puffy they are. They're like, oh, it's gorgeous. I am so thrilled, and the 226 size is so great. It's not too big, not too small. They say it's between a medium large and a jumbo. I feel like it's closer to medium large, though it's not. It's not that big. Anyway, let me know what you think. I'm really happy that the condition seems to be just as good as what Fashionphile had described, which is great. And yeah, I will definitely be posting some mod shots on Instagram. So yeah, like I said, I'm going to end the video there so that I can really go over the bag in detail off of camera. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this type of video, please consider subscribing and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. Thanks so much and have a great day.